Okay, so let's look at quiz 3. This is medium difficulty. We have 6 organic molecules that are drawn here that I'd like you to name, and 6 named organic molecules that I'd like you to draw. So just pause the video, write down what you think of the answers, and I'll go through the answers once you start it up again. Okay, so this first molecule here has 4 carbons in the longest chain. There are no other substituents that are going to change the suffix. It's going to be butane. There are 2 methyl groups, one coming off the second and one coming off the third. So this is 2,3-dimethyl butane. The second molecule we have here, our longest chain, also has 4 carbons, but it does have a group that is going to change its name, and this is the there's a double bond here, so the suffix is going to be ene, so this is going to be butene, but it's going to be but2ene because it comes, the double bond is off the second carbon. But there are also 2 chlorine substituents here, so it's going to be 2,3-dichloro-but2ene. Okay, so the third one here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons in the longest chain. There is there is a group, there's an OH group and a CH3 substituent, so the OH is going to change its name to anol. There are 5 in the largest chain, so it's going to be pentanol. We need to number where the OH will be. It will be off the 1 to 3rd carbon, so it's propan-3ol, plus a methyl group coming off the 2nd carbon, so it's 2-methyl pentan-3ol. Okay, so the next molecule, we have 4 carbons in the longest chain. We have a methyl group coming off the 2nd or 3rd carbon, and an amine group, well, this would be the 3rd carbon, and an amine group coming off the 2nd carbon. Because the amine takes priority, the numbering will start from the right here. Because we have an amine group, we are going to have the suffix of anandamine, and we need to put the number it came off, which is the 2nd, so this is going to be butan-2amine, and a methyl group coming off the 3rd carbon, 3-methyl-butan-2amine. Next molecule, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons in a row. It's a butane. The chloro functional group is not going to change the suffix. There are 2 chlorines coming off the 2nd carbon. Because there's 2 of them that are identical, we are going to use the suffix di in front of the chloro, dichloro, and we have to give a number for the position each chlorine is attached. So it's 2,2-dichlorobutane. The next molecule here is the longest chain that has the carboxylic acid functional group, is 4 carbons in a row. So this is going to be butanoic acid, right? Plus, remember, we have a methyl group coming off here, and we have to give it a number. We number with the 1 starting at the carboxylic acid carbon, so 1, 2, 3. So 3-methyl-butanoic acid. Now it's the molecules we need to draw. Okay, so in the first molecule we need to draw, it's got an hexane here, so it's going to have 6 carbons in a row, and it'll have an ethyl group, which is a 2-carbon chain coming off the 3rd carbon, and a methyl group coming off the 4th carbon. And here we go. So the next one, pent-1-ine, it's going to have 5 carbons in a row, but with a ine is a triple bond coming off the 1st carbon, and then a methyl group coming off the 3rd one. The second one, propan-diol. Okay, so what does the di mean here? It means there are 2 OHs and they're coming off the 2nd and the 2nd carbon. And the only way we can draw that is 3 carbons in a row, an OH attached at the bottom and 1 at the top. The next one, 2-methyl-pentan-3-amine. 3-amine. This is going to be 5 carbons in a row. The amine group is off the 3rd carbon and a methyl group off the 2nd carbon. The next one, 2-bromo, 3-chloro, pentane, 5 carbons in a row, bromine off the 2nd, chlorine off the 3rd. This one's not too hard. Last one, propanoic acid. Okay, 3 carbons with a carboxylic acid on the end, but 2-methyl group coming off the 2nd carbon. And these are the names and the drawn diagrams for each of these molecules. Hopefully you went well with that. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this has made you more confident with your chemistry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment about anything that you want to with this video or any questions you have. I'll see you later.